Hi, today I want to show you how I created this new support to aspirate the dust during the CNC's work. So let's start right now. After I designed this support with Fusion 360, I printed it with my 3D printer. I opened Repeater Host, opened the STL file and printed it with the 25% of infill. That way these parts will be more resistant. So I give you the link below in the description, the STL file you can download. So let's start to assembly. Okay, it's the most useful parts. I give you below the link about the STL file that you can download. But first I have to tell you something. When you download and print these files, you will see them differently from the parts you watched in this video. Because while I'm assembling and mounting these supports, I saw that I could upgrade it better. So I went to Fusion 360 and I did the upgrade. For example, I increased the space to change the tools more accessible. You can use this support even if you have a standard spindle block. I have mounted the more powerful spindle, then I printed with my 3D printer the new spindle block as you can see. You have to measure the block spindle's width and adapt the two supports, nothing more. Now I have to pay attention to the spindle's collision. If before the spindle was free to move without any support on it, now I must consider that this support occupies the size. So when I fix the piece with the clamps, I think there may be collision. So what I do before every time I start new processing, I check this support which doesn't clash without any clamps, for example. With this video I can tell you that the upgrade playlist for my CNC machine is complete. As you know, on the internet you can find many videos about CNC tricks and upgrades on the 3018, and then more specific and complete about my video. But I wanted to show you my specific CNC upgrade you could need to build a 737 HomeCockpit or a similar project like that. So I tried to reunite the upgrade that I think are most important and specific to work more comfortable in this project. After I say that, I'm going to replace the plastic spindles block with an aluminum spindles block, because I want to increase the stability of the CNC during its work. So I will have to create a new support to aspire the dust. I think I will do a new version of it and maybe a new video about it. So as always, I thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any question, write me in a comment below and give me a big like. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell, so you will always keep updating every time I upload a new video on my channel. So I thank you again and I hope to see you soon for the next video. Bye bye.